Yesterday, finally, all 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs have been getting accepted. And today, these spot Bitcoin ETFs will be live and trading. Bloomberg has predicted that this will be causing an inflow of $4 billion today. This is going to be huge, and this could be pushing up the Bitcoin price even more by today. And on top of that, Bitcoin is also going to be awaiting a massive breakout that will also be imminent by today or tomorrow. So yeah, it is going to be a massive day today for crypto. The charts, in my opinion, are still looking quite bullish, so make sure to press up that like button. Let's see if we can be smashing it up above the 50 likes. And yes guys, I am still having my trades open, now this time on altcoins, and I will be explaining that exactly a little bit later in this video. But yeah, first of all, having a look in towards Bitcoin, well, it is bouncing off back towards the upside right now. And what we did see during the event, while the spot Bitcoin ETF got accepted, we did see a little bit of a bump towards the upside. It was not a huge bump in the imminent short term, but definitely we did see this bump towards the upside. Now, I was saying that yes, the spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be nice and all, but really what's going to be very important is going to be if there is going to be real demand. Whenever it is really going to be trading, are we going to be seeing inflows? How quick can we be launching our spot Bitcoin ETF? Well, these are all questions. Depending on the answer, we are going to be seeing a sell the news event, or we are going to be even headed higher after the event even happened. And to be honest, it is looking quite good because the spot Bitcoin ETFs will probably go alive and trading by today. So that is already very bullish. There is a huge urgency behind the actual trading of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. And on top of that, Bloomberg is predicting that we will be seeing an inflow of $4 billion. And guys, this is huge. Guys, $4 billion of extra added buying pressure on top of all of the other trading that already occurred normally around. Well, $4 billion extra is going to be huge. On top of that, yes, the Bitcoin charts are looking quite bullish in my opinion. We exactly flipped our previous resistance right now in towards support. This is looking like a very bullish setup for Bitcoin, as well as we are creating that breakout pattern. So most definitely, whenever we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, I do think we can be breaking in towards the 48k level. Now, even on top of that, the Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. Literally, people are trying to short. The funding rates are still quite neutral while Bitcoin's price is pushing towards the upside, and this is indicating me that people are trying to short this current Bitcoin price. And while we often do know that the majority of the market is usually wrong, so guys, with that kept in mind, I do think we are going to be seeing another pump. And this is exactly going to be the reason why I've positioned myself with these long positions over here. Now, I will be looking in towards trading this Bitcoin breakout as well. So yeah, most likely this is going to be looking very good. And guys, if you are as well going to be interested in trading this breakout, make sure to go ahead towards that link down below, because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bybit simply by just going towards that link in the description, sign up a new account with KYC level 1, deposit at least $100, and you can be claiming a free $1,000. This is absolutely insane, so make sure to go ahead and claim it right now and wait for the breakout and then enter your trade. Of course, well, no financial advice. This is just what I am doing right here. And before talking a little bit more about the longer term, because in the longer term, it is starting to look quite bad in my opinion. Well, why exactly am I positioning myself in towards these altcoins rather than in towards Bitcoin? Well, I've said it many times in the past. What happens in the crypto market is that whenever you are going to be leading in towards an event, which is going to be bullish for the Bitcoin price, well, of course, market dominance is going to be flowing back in towards Bitcoin. But whenever that event already happened, it is actually going to be some kind of a sell the news. Money will once again be back flowing in towards altcoins once again, and that is exactly what we can be seeing. Money flowing back in towards altcoins rather than in towards Bitcoin. That is just how it works, and we could be seeing Ethereum absolutely stealing the show yesterday. Literally, I think it was up over 15% on the day. And this is also exactly where I've been talking about in my free Telegram channel, that I want to be positioning myself in towards Ethereum whenever we are going to be seeing our spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Now, most definitely, I'm also going to be interested in trading Bitcoin whenever we can be seeing this breakout occurring as well. But I definitely do think a lot more gains are about to be made with altcoins. Now, I do quickly want to be saying that in the short term, it is still looking very good. Of course, at least whenever we are going to be seeing our inflows, then it is going to be starting to look very good in the short term. But what you need to understand is that in the longer term, yes, we are coming close towards our top. I have been explaining this many times on my channel, but purely having a look into the charts, yes, we are coming close towards our mid-cycle top. Now, the only reason I'm going to be bullish in the imminent short term on Bitcoin is purely going to be because of the news. But yes, guys, I just want to be warning you guys, do not get too euphoric, because we are coming close towards that mid-cycle top every single time. In the mid-cycle top, whenever we hit that green zone, well, that was the time whenever we saw that peak in the mid-cycle. Okay, so yeah, we are coming close towards our top. We can be moving a little bit higher, as you can be seeing on this chart as well. We can be having some kind of a wicks above these levels right here to about the 50k level, but inevitably, we are going to be seeing that correction anytime soon. So yeah, short term is still looking great, but guys, do not get too euphoric. Now, do keep in mind, if you are going to be interested in trading, make sure to check out that link in the description. Also, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.